filming. This is Steve catching scorpions in a cup.
About ready to eat one.
He's gonna eat one. Say something.
Yummy, yummy scorpion. Right here. For what? Oh, I'm not really going to do that.
Oh, you're getting the big one.
Yeah. I'm going to go put this back in KB's thing.
Let's look at the scorpion. I didn't get a good shot of it.
I'm going to just cook it like that, and I'm going to cut the stinger off.
Oh.
Where'd Phil go? Is he going up?
Oh, no, right here.
He's brushing his teeth.
You got a big one.
Yeah.
And you're going to eat it?
Yeah.
Caitlin! Come film this one.
So how do you cook these, Steve?
A little bit of barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Barbecue them up.
Garlic powder over here.
You want to try one, Nick?
Cook it a little longer.
I would think so, Steve.
Are you eating it?
Well, you don't want it to be raw, you want it to be cooked.
Says who?
Bear.
It's bare.
Kill this poison, though. Yeah. Because there's a lot of protein in that tail. That's where most of the muscle are, probably.
Hey, Steve, I got a lot of protein here for you.
That's bad. From a brother, too. Oh.
Hey, it's not my fault you're too wussy to try it.
I'm not too wuss, I just have no need to try it. Exactly. I'm starving, sure. I'm not starving. We have plenty of food. Yeah, we didn't have any chips. Yeah. We've got Funyuns to try now. Yeah, M&M's, Funyuns, chips.
You might want to save this for when I'm eating it.
Why?
It's going to probably one of those